Good morning student. Today I am here to explain you English language of class 5th, the sentences. Students, today we are going to know about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that are arranged in a way to convey complete sense. Or we can say when we join small words in a systematic order, we formed a sentence and it has complete sense. A sentence always contains subject and a verb. The basic structure of a sentence is subject plus verb. Here subject and verb are very important and without them we cannot frame a sentence. When we speak, read and write, we make use of complete sentences to understand and communicate with each other. It always have a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark at the end. For example, ice cream loves Sam. This is not a correct sentence and it has no sense. Now see another example. Sam loves ice cream. Yes, this is a complete sentence and it has complete sense also. Why it is correct? Because this sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Students, there are four kinds of sentences. First, declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. Declarative sentences. These sentences declare a fact, a plan, or an argument. It ends with a full stop. Or we can say it makes a statement or give information about the subject. Let's take an example for this. Ravi is playing in the garden. There is a chemical factory nearby. Latika won the match. In all three examples, there is a statement and an information about the subject. Interrogative sentences. These sentences ask a question. It ends with a question mark. Students, there are two ways of asking a question. First, the sentence always begin with why, where, whom, whose, what, how, etc. And another way, yes or no question. Let's see the examples. Will you come tomorrow? The answer is in yes or no. Have you read the newspaper? Again you give your answer in yes or no. And some sentences I again tell you that begins with why, where, whom, whose, what, how, etc. So in this example, the sentence start with what? What is your favorite color? All these three questions end with a question mark. Imperative sentences. These sentences express a command, make a request, or give advice. It ends with a full stop. For example, keep your room clean. This statement shows that we are giving an advice to someone. Second example, shut the door. In this statement, we are giving a command. Third example, please sit down. In this statement, it shows a request. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences express strong emotions or feelings. It ends with an exclamation mark. Strong emotion or feeling means surprise, joy, anger, etc. For example, what a fine day. So we are exclaiming with wonder that is a fine day. Again, what a lovely flower it is. Again, we are wondering that it is a lovely flower. Third, how kind you are. So we are exclaiming with strong feeling. So the sentences which shows the sudden feeling are called the exclamatory sentences. I hope you will be understand the chapter. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.